Welcome to our channel. If you want to install the Nonstop Movies app on your Fire Stick for continuous movie entertainment, follow these step-by-step instructions using a downloader code. Step 1. Turn on your Fire Stick and access the search function. Search for Downloader and install it if necessary. Step 2. Launch the downloader app and click on the URL bar in the center of the screen. Step 3. Type in the downloader code for Nonstop Movies app accurately and press Go to start the download. Step 4. Allow the APK file to download completely. Monitor the progress bar to see when it's finished. Step 5. After downloading, an install prompt will appear on your screen. Click Install to proceed with installation. Step 6. Wait for the installation process to complete, then click Done. Consider deleting the APK file afterward. Step 7. Navigate back to your Fire Stick home screen and find Nonstop Movies app in your applications list. Step 8. Open the app and enjoy unlimited access to movies across various genres, all available for continuous streaming without interruptions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.